Yes, VZ-58. Okay, 7.6 by 39. Only clipped the 5 though because we live in Canada, the magazine. But it's not an AK variant. Ready to fire first time too.
Yeah.
Ah, ringing. Okay, Tana's gonna shoot now. Go, big butt. Sorry, the bugs are killing me. Good friggin' gun, you friggin' guys. And by the way, we're like almost at the end of where the field ends. And we usually stand like 500 yards, right where that house is over there. Yeah, way over there. And people say that this, where we shoot is unsafe. It's like my dick. It's fucking safe, okay? It's like half a mile of fucking field, bitch. And there's
half a mile of field and about a mile and a half of forest, and then just fields after that.
So
I don't know how far. So just.
I don't know why we're unsafe, but
and then we're gonna kill here is bugs. Any kind of animal that gets in the way of the bullet.
Like to show that VZ-58 one more time.